This is day 10, part 2, cruise day 5. We saw some churches, went to a native shopping center, and what I mean by that is they weren't in buildings, they were in little kiosks, and they were run by the native people. And we always try to visit them and buy something to help the economy. We also went to the memorial to the first Prime Minister of Antigua, and then we went back to the ship. We were tired, and it was so hot there, just so hot. And we're not used to the heat. We haven't acclimated. And of course, every time we go back to the ship, you get into air conditioning, so yeah, it takes you a long time to get acclimated. But we still had fun. Thanks for watching.